To set your phone to stop charging when the battery level reaches 80% in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery. Tap battery and then tap battery protection. By default, this menu is turned on. However, if this menu is still off, you can tap the on off switch for this menu until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Now select maximum. By choosing this option, your phone will automatically stop charging when the battery level reaches 80%. As a note, keeping your battery at a full 100% charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. That's why it would be better if you turn on this battery protection feature to protect your battery and make it last longer. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.